Switzerland's first floating sauna, Saunafloss, is located on the Lake Biel in Erlach. Behind its construction and operation are two women, Sibylle and Helena, who have an inspiring personal story about how they reconnected after 20 years because of this unique project.
My name is Helena, and I'm a boat builder from beginning. And I'm half Swedish and half Swiss. And in Sweden, I actually saw those floating saunas, so I wanted to have one in Switzerland too.
I'm Sibylle, and I'm psychologist. But I just quit my job, and we're just building up our common company, Helena and me, and doing woodwork, different projects, and floating sauna is just one of the projects.
This is the first floating sauna in Switzerland, as a sauna on a raft.
It's for 2 to 6 people.
The important thing for us is that it's built sustainable materials that comes from the region. So the wood comes from this mountain. It is milled by ourselves. We stored it in the woods, and then we produced the sauna in town. And the raft we built directly in the marina in Erlach. People seem to have waited on it because it has been booked out from the beginning.
So, and the next project with building the next one is also for this place here.
And you're also living here in Erlach.
Yes, you have to.
You have to.
You have to if you want to run the sauna, because you go back and forth, you go home and prepare for the next group, and then you come here again. And in the winter, when it's cold, you can't just hang around outside. You need to go inside somewhere. 23 years ago, we went to high school together. I was already in love there, but you weren't. So now, after high school, you went to the university, and I moved to Sweden, and you came to visit, and then we really fell in love. And we had a secret relation because 23 years ago, it was a different time, and it was hard to live that in public. We didn't manage, so we broke up against our hearts. However, 3 years ago, when we started this sauna project, me and my companion, Sebastian Shaw, you read in the newspaper about the opening of this floating sauna, and you read that I was there, so you came to visit. But I didn't have time. I just had 10 minutes because the day after I was moving to Sweden again.
Well, you said, well, then come and visit me in Sweden. And I said, okay, so give me your address so I can come. And yes, and she let me wait a little bit because I got the address maybe 10 months later. Yes, but
I mean, I was in another relationship too. That's maybe why I didn't. However, we met and fell in love, bam! And you quit your job, you moved to Erlach, changed completely your entire life. So we are
I have goosebumps.
happy and
Such a lovely story.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
As we would have been together all our lives.
Yes.
Oh, ladies,
Yeah,
this
really.
is just incredible. And that the sauna connected you back to sauna and make the right decisions.
Because you go a little bit inside, you feel your body, what's the body doing, and then you go like... For me, personally, sauna also has to do something with coming close to nature a little bit.
Completely.
To the elements, the fire, the water, cold, heat. And if you have a sauna like this, and you are outside in nature, you are a part of it, here you have the feeling you own it all.
As Sibylle and Helena have shown us, Saunafloss is more than just a sauna. It's a journey of reconnection, not only with each other, but also with nature. Here on Lake Biel, the experience of a sauna becomes a meditative practice, where the elements of fire and water bring you closer to your own essence in the natural world around you.
It's actually more amazing than it was.